Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Format Painter on multiple cells in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take a table. Now we can see here some table cells and text. Now we want to use the Format Painter in multiple cells. Firstly, select the name text. Then go to the home menu and double click on the Format Painter option. Then apply the Format Painter on multiple cells. Drag and select the text to use the Format Painter to multiple cells. Then go back the Format Painter option and click it to close. Now we can see we use Format Painter on multiple cells very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.